Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove tax included on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do this, you just need to head over and click on the settings option right here. So click on settings. Then from in there, you should be able to see this left sidebar. Under this left sidebar, you should see this taxes and duties. So click on this. Then once you have clicked on it, you can just scroll down. And then from in there, you should be able to see this global setting. Under this global settings, this includes sales tax and product price and shipping rate. So you can also click on learn more in order to know when to use the setting. So if you actually want to that or just actually don't want to use that, just click on this check mark right here in order to uncheck it. Once you have unchecked this, just click on save. And once it's been saved, it will be able to be applied to your store in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.